Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write YouTube scripts from ChatGPT using ChatGPT. So if you are a YouTuber, a content writer, so how you can get your script in a few minutes. You can prepare a strong script for your video. In today's video, I will show you how to prepare a script with the help of AI. And I can show you how you can write a script in just one click from ChatGPT. So normally, you just have to open your ChatGPT. So if you don't know about ChatGPT, this is an AI tool. You can ask any questions from it. So let's say I want to write me a script about how to grow on YouTube channel. So as you can see, this AI tool is writing a whole script for me. And you can copy the scripts and you can translate in whatever language you want from Google Translator. Now the next question is how you can apply this script in your video. So this script is not absolutely proper, but you will get an idea and you will also get a lot of information as to what information you need to add in your script. So keep searching on ChatGPT and you will go deep and you will keep connecting a lot of information. Now in another question, let me ask you, I have a channel, please tell me a good name for my channel. And as you can see, it is telling me a lot of names I can apply on my channel. Again, as I say, it's not be a proper, but you have to do some research and you have to just do little changes and you will get a strong script for your YouTube channel. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.